Good morning, student. Today our topic is tracking social differences. There were social and economic differences among the people within a particular culture. It means that on that time there were the social differences like today's. There were maybe the rich people or the poor people. But how can we know about that? On that time, at the time of the Harappans, the people, there were the rich and the poor people. We know about the social differences with the two things. The first one is the burials and the second one is the luxuries. Now I am telling you about first of all the burials. Burials means the shavdaha, where the dead persons were buried. Now the dead persons were generally laid in the pits. Pits means gaddhon mein. The burial pits was made in the some places. The hollowed out spaces were lined with the bricks. It means that in some places we see that the pits were covered with the bricks. Maybe on that time the rich people, they covered their pits or the burials with the bricks. Now the pottery, we also find in some pits there were the pottery and the ornaments. It means that on that time the people believe the life after the death. Now the jewelry. In some pits, burials, we also saw the jewelry. The different type of the jewelry, both we found in the burials, both men and the women both. Again, we also find the copper mirror. Maybe on that time the rich people, they were buried these type of the copper mirror with the dead bodies. But we find a few. Now they did not believe in burying the precious things with the dead. They were not believing that and we also not find the precious thing. Precious means बहुत कीमती चीज़ें हमें नहीं मिली हैं dead bodies के साथ. So on that time, but we find the shells, rings, beads and hundreds of the micro beads near the skull of a male and the woman both. Okay, I think all of you understand about the burials. In the next video I will tell you about the luxuries.